CS Kipchumba Murkomen must either take up the work of the DG Kenha or act on the DG Kenha to make sure that he does his work in accordance with the law. Because we can't be lamenting here as members of parliament. I can see the Honorable Opiyo and I saying the DG is from my county. It is true. The DG comes from my county in Kiambu.
What's your
But I
point
do not stomach ineptness, even in my own office.
I'm on a point of order.
Not stomach ineptness.
I'm on a point of order. Madam Speaker, you know, yes, we have got rules in this house that have to be applied at all times. I have got no knowledge of that DG in person, and neither do I hold brief for him. But our rules don't allow us to discuss the conduct of a person who cannot defend themselves on the floor of this house. It would be better if there's an issue with the DG Kenha that a motion is brought to discuss his conduct or performance so that we can deal with the matter in a procedural manner. Thank you.
What's your point of order, Honorable Junet?
Honorable Speaker, I don't want, I cannot disagree with my leader here. But Madam Speaker, we are discussing here the office of the Kenya National Highway Authority, Madam Speaker. And if they are doing a shoddy job, and you know, through God, through, I think, some angels that now has come through the majority leader, and the majority leader himself is condemning today Kenya here in the House, Madam Speaker. We just have to clap for him. We cannot oppose him. We cannot oppose the majority leader. Yeah.
You may proceed, Majority Leader, with those compliments.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. You know, my good friend, the leader of minority, might not have listened to me keenly because he was being interrupted by the member for Kathiani. Because I was not discussing the conduct of a person. I was discussing the office of the Director General of Kenha. And the person who holds that office, if he's inept, I have no fear saying he's inept.